How to reset Ruud furnace if it's not working or not turning on, how you can simply fix it step by step in this video. So to reset it, first step is turn off the furnace power. Switch off the power to the furnace using the wall switch near the unit or the breaker in your electrical panel. Wait for at least 30 seconds before proceeding. Now step 2 is locate the reset button. The reset button on most Ruud furnaces is a small red button located inside the blower compartment, on or near the blower motor, sometimes on the control board, or you may need to remove the front access panel to see it. Now, reset button appearance will be small, round, and red shape may be labeled as reset. Step 3 is press the reset button. Press and hold the reset or red reset button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should feel or hear a click if it was tripped. Step 4 is restore power and test. Turn the furnace power back on, set the thermostat to heat and raise the temperature above room level. The furnace should attempt to restart. Step 5 is observe operation. Listen for normal sounds, blower starting and any other sound to get confirm about it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.